So,
Good day of the day.
it's
Everybody,
usually me
hi.
speaking.
Sorry for the video.
I
In this
hope
video, I will
my
make a
voiceover
shorter
was
video,
not awful.
like a review
It's my
of
first
my
experience.
summer-made wood chipper. So
Check
as
it,
now
please.
I got some experience, I can tell what did I do and what modifications did I really make and what I wanted to build. But as I say, I built that what I really wanted. So please like the video, subscribe, and hope you enjoy watching. So in every my single project, like with wood chipping or other, I always use blade planer, wood planer blades. They're HSS, so durable and sharp. And I use the same M6 bolts. They're rather cheap, small, and can support the loads. And to reinforce, I didn't make open holes, just a bit more material. So I really wanted to make it as strong as possible, so to be safe and never, please never touch or put your fingers even near the spinning blades. Like in this example, a stick just flies off from my hands and I even didn't have time to understand what has happened. 3, 2, 1. Phew! So now I just want to show that I have a great flame cutter, like it's a propane cutter. I like to use. I don't have plasma cutter, but I really want some. And the TIG welder. I want to weld aluminum, but I believe I will need to work much harder to be able to make my projects like what I really want to make, and for you to watch it, like some simple tools or even something necessary that would make my videos better. So like I'm working now on a supercharger project. I don't really need it, and it's like the second my project. And what I really want to make is a diesel powered engine, like DIY. So if you like to watch it, or you are interested in internal combustion engines, you can subscribe and help me build a project like the Lawnmower version. And then I hope I'll use some parts and make my own engine. So about the modifications, I made like a smaller gap between the blades and the input, and like a small cover that prevents the wood chips to fly all over the place. So, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and hope you like my voice, or you can help me be better at the voiceovers or speaking just in front of the camera. Alright, and goodbye.